Ќе замолам најпрвин да одиме со прилогот, односно излагањето на господинот Никола Груевски на тркализната маса на Фондацијата Конрад Аденауер, во која ја представува ситуацијата на Македонија и што е тоа што Грција бара од Македонија.
The blocking that Greece is doing to us. It was done 1.5 years earlier in Bucharest, when we had to become a member of NATO, and now we are facing with such problems. My opinion is that the problems between the countries cannot be solved with blocking, cannot be solved with blackmailing, cannot be solved just with looking in the history. Then we need to look in the future. Anyway, Greece made to us damages, political damages. The history will know this. But we have to look in the future. We need to concentrate to the future. We need solution. We want solution. Our country wants to find solution and to solve this issue, to overcome this issue, and to have good relations with Greece, to go ahead in the integrations. But we cannot delete ourselves as a nation. We are Macedonians. We want to begin member of EU as Macedonians. Greece wants to change our name, to change our identity. Identity is emotion. Identity is feeling. Identity is something that everybody has in himself. And it's very strange somebody to want to wish to change your own identity. So I believe that with more intensive discussions with Greece, which we already started, which is also progress. Before that, there were not discussions, there was not open dialogue. Now, in the last period, there is very intensive dialogue, as never before, on different levels. So I believe that this dialogue will finish with some results. That's good for us, for our country, that's good for the region. That's good also, I believe, for Greece. And that's good for the European Union. European Union will be completed when all countries of Western Balkans will become part of European Union.
Тоа беше господинот Груевски на тркализната маса на Конрад Аденауер.